Okay, so I'm doing this video to help you get signed into WebAssign. So the first thing you need to do is to go to our course Canvas page. So the home page, when you click on your Canvas account, is going to bring you to our course home page here. So you can see that if you scroll down, you have these tabs here, and it's organized by chapter. So the first one we want to go to is course resources. And then you have this list of course resources, which we went over today in class. This was the PowerPoint that I was working off of today, a copy of the actual syllabus, which I handed out. You will need to complete this syllabus quiz by August 25th. The formula sheet, which I handed out, but if you ever need to reprint, this is where you'll come. A couple documents, meet your professor and what is SI. And then here we have the assignment getting started with WebAssign and your class questionnaire. So this one, if we click here, okay, it's going to bring up this screen. You'll want to click this. Okay, so it should bring you to this screen. So if you log in and put your password, if you happen not to have this already, you'll need to create an account. And then when you're doing that, when you're getting signed in, it's not going to let me see every specific screen that you're going to see, but you're okay to do the trial for now. You don't have to do the paid part. If you do the paid part, that's fine. Or if you've already bought your access code, it should give you a place to enter the access code. But what you would want to do is just do the trial for the first week. Make sure you're going to stay in the class, and then at some point it will prompt you to enter your payment, and you will eventually have to pay for access to this. So it's only free for the first few days to week of the course. Okay, so you should eventually get to this, which is your first assignment. So I'd like for you to complete this first assignment to let me know that you have gotten signed in. So it's a very quick little assignment to kind of get oriented to WebAssign. So if you'll do that. One other thing I wanted to show you before leaving here, if we go to the home page and scroll down, if we look at these units that we have, looking at this, you can see that I have this organized by section. So within each section, you'll see the lecture video, which is the one that you would need to watch if you were absent for a given day, the PowerPoint, and the assignment associated with that day's lecture. You may also see lecture guides included, and so forth. So there's just the annotated PowerPoints are the ones that have some of the lecture notes actually filled in on those. So just know that these resources are here for you and take advantage of those. Okay, so be sure you go ahead and get signed into WebAssign, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.